This is a demonstration of our hand-gestured control robot created by Emma Kaufman and Chloe Kuo.
Our final system consists of a base station and a robot. The base station uses OpenCV and a PiCamera to first gather information about the user's background environment. The user is then allowed to place their hand in the camera frame, and the base station locates the hand for further analysis by investigating objects significantly different from the user's background. Once the hand is found, gestures are determined by finding convexity defects in the hand, which correspond to the number of fingers a user is holding up. This information is sent to the robot over Bluetooth.
On the robot end, gesture information is received and processed so that the robot can execute a corresponding movement command. Based on the number of fingers that the user is holding up, the robot either moves forwards, stops, pivots left, or pivots right. To ensure straight motion, an accelerometer is used to straight line correct. The robot additionally includes an ultrasonic range sensor to prevent collisions with external objects. To increase its usability, a NeoPixel strip is attached to the robot body. These LEDs help indicate the front of the robot using green lights, if the robot has panic stopped using red lights, or if the robot is in normal mode using blue lights.
Our system was tested using several camera backgrounds and several robot terrains, proving its versatility and ability to adapt to users' environments. Overall, we created a system which allows for remote control of a mobile robot in a unique, user-friendly way. We believe there are an immense number of applications for gesture-controlled robots that we hope to explore in the future.